Hey guys! Kamusta po kayo? Tagal-tagal ko na pong hindi nakakapag-upload. Pero po ngayon po, tinry namin ni Matthew na mag-upload kasi meron pong concert yung SB19 po sa pagtatag pinali po nila. So ngayon po, maghahanap kami ng i-react namin ni Matthew. So never pa po namin napanood yung mga lumabas na mga clips or may mga nag-upload na I think sa ng mga fans ng SB19. Marami na po mga nag-upload. So ngayon po nag-react po kami. So hanap tayo ng magandang magandang video. Yung maganda yung malinaw.
Anyways,
So
it's time for my intro. Welcome, ladies and gents, for another video. This is another video we're gonna make. That's my intro. Way more better than yours. Yes, it is like that.
may pa-intro-intro ka pang nalalaman.
But mine is better.
Okay, sige na.
And also, we found another video, just like what she said.
So hanapin natin. Hanap tayo ng video, guys.
Find one that's like
SB19.
Find one that's like recent.
Pagtatag pinali. So ito si Josh, pagtatag pinali concert. Josh, yoko na.
Well, Josh.
Pero parang malabo yung video nito. Sandali.
Oh no.
O ito SB19 X Clock 9. Sumayo ka. Clock 9? Nandiyan pa si Clock 9?
That's
Or
her favorite.
baka cover lang nila.
That's her favorite cover. That's her favorite
Yeah.
rapper, by the way. She keeps talking about it so much. Oh my god, Glock 9. Oh my goodness. I love Glock 9.
Hindi, nandiyan ba si Clock 9, guys? O baka
If they did a collab, that's actually really good. You wanna let's react?
I think andito si Clock 9. Ito yung picture si Clock 9 to eh. O si Jay.
Are you sure that's Glock 9? Or
Yun nasa gitna.
maybe they're just covering one of his songs. Well, no, it says SB19X Glock 9.
So Pit Clock 9 talaga. Or cover lang.
Tignan mo.
So leka, nagkatingnan
Let's
natin.
react to that, guys. Yaha!
Oh my god. It's gonna be amazing kung nandiyan dyan si Clock 9. There.
That's her favorite.
Tulad ng susunod nating makakasama.
Oh my gosh.
Shit!
The blue.
Ito, super excited kayo dito, 18, and lalong-lalo na kami. Excited ba kayo for the next number?
Look at this is probably.
Parang mahina. Excited ba
Nandiyan
kayo?
na si Clock 9!
Excited ba kayo? Gusto ko lahat nasayaw, ah.
Oh my god, it's Glock 9! I don't know.
Excited na ba kayong makisayaw?
You don't know? You don't know?
I'm not old school. I listen to the best rappers in the world. Who's Glock 9? Isn't he the fat guy?
Ay, wala. Hindi, parang siya yung nasa picture, oh. Oh, kapatid ni Pablo.
Yung kapatid ng Pablo. Post way? Dang, you really thought Glock 9? No. Glock. It should say, it should say representing Glock 9 songs, not X Glock 9. Because it is SB19 X Glock 9. Meaning Glock 9 should be there, because doing it together. I can't hear anything.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's Glock 9! I don't know this one. Favorite rapper?
Oh my god, this is my favorite!
She's like man blowing. Sorry guys, this is very good.
Justin.
Where's Justin?
Wala, nag-harap si Justin. Lahat sila nag-harap. Lahat sila nag-harap. Nakita mo?
I mean, it's simple. I can rap too. Yo, yo, yo! Did you know I got a Glock in my yard? 17 pins. I'll press rewind to see that as one more time. I get this soda.
Is that rap?
Yeah, I got a Glock in my yard. 17 shots, not 38.
Oh my God.
I can.
May iyak na ako sa sobrang excited. Hindi ka kalain. Ang galing naman. Diyos
So,
ko.
her favorite rapper collab with her favorite boy band.
I know, right? Oh my God. Uy, umayos ka.
I'm just acting like her. Just acting like her at the moment. Are you okay? Hindi na sumama.
No, kasi dati nung pinapakinggan ko lagi yung kanta ni Pablo, sabi, sana makapag-collab sila ni Pablo, 'di ba? Dahil nga paborito ko si Clock9.
Mm-hmm.
So ayan na nangyari.
With the entire boy band too.
Ang taray, sa concert pa, no, 'di ba? Tama na nga.
I got tape in here just in case.
Galing ni Galing ni Josh. Wala si Stilo.
Yeah, there. Oh my gosh. Hoy,
I'm so happy.
it's not like if you ever meet.
Ano kaya kung nandiyan ako sa concert, ano?
Oh my God, Clock9!
Wala si Pablo. Tingnan mo si Pablo. Oh, ang taray ni Steve!
Oh yeah, look at it. Justin's in the background.
Oh my God, Clock9!
Ma, if you met Glock9,
Oh my God, dati nung bata ako, gusto ko siyang makita talaga.
if you met Glock9 one day, what would be your reaction? You'd be like, oh,
Ihahag ko siya.
Grabe, pangarap ko to yung mag-ranta.
Naiiyak ako sa kasiyahan mo ba yan?
you weren't even in there. You're just watching it from a video.
I know, right?
You don't even have the
Acting ako
not even the
grabe.
concert.
Hindi, idol na idol ko talaga si Clock9.
If you ever met Glock9, she'll end up in the ER because she'll be like, oh my God,
Bata pa lang po ako, pinakakanta ko na yung
Isa pa! Matatapos na ba? Uy, tapos na.
6 minutes? That's so good.
Nako. Alam mo, sumasobra na kayo eh.
Is there another block?
Grabe na nga yung lineup natin.
I don't know, dalawang beses.
I actually like it. There are.
Alam na siya eh.
Maybe there's another video. You check me, because I actually like that one. That one is actually really good.
Tuntua ako sa kanila kasi alam na yun. Sobrang ano na yung narating nila kasi piloy mo, dami na nilang nakaka...
When did Glock 9 start rapping? Like what year? What
Ano
year?
no, be, I forgot. Pero ano yan, halos kasing idadan ko yan si Clock9. So yan guys.
Naiyak ako, grabe, epic!
sabi sa comment, naiyak ako, grabe epic, sabi niya. Oh my God, ako nga maluha-luha guys. Kasi kahit panoorin niyo yung mga unang video ko noon, yung reaction video ko tuwing kakanta si Pablo ng rap. Sabi ko, di ba, lagi ko sinasabi, paborito ko si Clock9. So, kaya gusto ko yung mga kanta ni Pablo. Parang naaalala ko sa kanya si Clock9. Oh my God, tapos ngayon na yan.
I know, right? Oh yeah, plus if Glock 9 like started rap like way back, and SB19 just started it like a few years ago. They came so far to do a collab with a legendary rapper.
Mm-hmm.
That's like the Eminem of the Philippines. It's like Eminem but Filipino.
Ang galing naman ng reaction natin. Unang-una yun yung nakita natin na video. Ayan guys. Sobrang epic po talaga. Sobrang ganda ng performance nila. Kahit na parang yung sound parang, kasi syempre siguro cellphone lang to eh. Hindi naman to ano eh. So, kaya yung sound. So you guys, na-enjoy ko yung hindi ko akalain.
She really enjoyed it. I mean, I liked it. Because I didn't really enjoy it because I'm not, like, I don't really know much, but she was like, I can't relate. But, you know, that was really good.
Yeah. So,
You must be so happy
I'm so
right now.
happy for SB19 guys. Kasi, ayan galing-galing. Ang galing yun talaga. Nandito na kayo, SB19.
You're gonna react to, what next? What we're gonna react to?
Okay guys, thank you so much. Sana po na-enjoy nyo. Pasensya na masyado akong overacting.
Very much overreacting.
Masaya lang. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Go ahead and watch the next video. Haha! Ah.